Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dion. We start here with chapstick. This is going to be super quick because my dinner will be ready in like 6 minutes. And so, can you tell I'm feeling better? Like, I am just so excited that my gut health is almost back to where it's supposed to be. I've been eating a baked potato every day. I've been drinking 8 ounces of kefir, which is liquid yogurt, which has more probiotics than Activia. And I've been drinking between 10 and 20 ounces of water and also 20 ounces of Gatorade every day. And so that's what I've been eating like every day. I'm down like almost 10 pounds, which I know as soon as I start eating regular, the weight will come back, and I'm okay with that because losing weight when you're sick is not a healthy way to lose weight. But anyway, 5 days ago, I think, that's when I started eating a baked potato. Prior to that, it was just water and Gatorade, and that was it. And I was so low energy and just like not being able to hardly do anything. And so I think it was like 3 days ago, I added a piece of salmon with my baked potato. It went well. The next day I added an air fried chicken thigh with my baked potato. All went well. And so today I'm baking a piece of Parmesan crusted tilapia to go with my baked potato. And so I'm just really excited. I do have more energy because I'm putting nutrients in my body. Also yesterday I drank a Bold House Farm, the mango one, which has protein in it, which gave me more protein. So I was very productive yesterday, and that's when I did the I made up more makeup kits for Eclectic Beauty, and I did post pictures of that on my Instagram. And so I'm just really excited. I'm feeling better. So I want to let you know what's coming up for my channel. I purchased a black paint pot from MAC during their 30% off sale, and I am going to pick that up tomorrow. Today is November 28th. This is Sunday. So I purchased a black paint pot because I want to see what these look like over a black base. This is the Plain Jane palette from Adept Cosmetics, and so that will be coming up. Of course, I want to dig into the Martini Cosmetics 669 palette. This is what that looks like, and it's a darker version in my eye to the Haunted Europe palette, and I will insert a picture here to show you here on camera. This is Haunted Europe at the bottom. This at the top is the 669. So they look like they would go together well. Another thing I want to experiment with is I do want to do more looks with the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. These shades right here, these 4, these are only good for me for highlight, brow bone highlight, and then a corner highlight, because these don't show up on me. And so I'm really only getting use out of like these 3 rows. But I'm thinking it may accompany the Lila palette really well. And I will insert a picture here. And to show you on camera what I'm talking about, because you do still have more of those reddish tones to accompany the purples in the Lila palette. And so I'm going to play around with these and see about mixing the palettes. Also, I want to use, and I'm going to use the Persona Identity 2 palette, which came in BoxyCharm. I'm going to try that one just to see. A new purchase I haven't tried yet, which was Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. That's what this one looks like. And I purchased it because it has that grungy color theme that I'm really digging. And I haven't used yet the KKW Camo palette, and that's what this looks like. I'm going to use it on its own just to see what kind of depth it will give me. But also I think it'll go well with the Lime Crime palette. And I will insert a picture. So I think these may go well. So I'm going to be doing a lot. My fish is ready. So I'm going to be doing a lot with these palettes. And so stay tuned if any of this sounds good to you. And sorry for the beeping. I know it's annoying, so I'm going to go. So thank you, and you'll see me next video.